Welcome back to the Work Optional Living channel, where we show you how to work when and where you want on your own terms. I'm Mike, and I get many requests asking to define what passive income actually is. All right, picture this. You're lying on a beach, sipping on your favorite drink, and your phone pings. It's a notification that you've just made money. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, welcome to the world of passive income. Passive income is money you earn without having to actively work for it. It's the kind of income that keeps flowing whether you're sleeping, traveling, or just chilling at home. Now, don't get me wrong, setting up passive income streams often requires some initial effort, but once they're up and running, they can become powerful tools for financial freedom. First up, let's talk about real estate. Buying rental properties can be an excellent way to generate passive income. Once you've bought a property and rented it out, the rent you collect every month becomes your steady stream of income. Just remember, managing properties can sometimes need a bit of attention, but there are property management services that can handle the nitty-gritty for you. Next, let's dive into the world of dividend stocks. When you own dividend-paying stocks, companies pay you a portion of their earnings regularly. It's like getting a bonus just for owning a piece of the company. Investing in dividend stocks can provide a steady income stream with the added benefit of potential stock price appreciation. Another fantastic way to make passive income is through creating digital products. Think ebooks, online courses, or even mobile apps. Once you've created and launched these products, they can keep generating income for you with minimal ongoing effort. For instance, if you're knowledgeable about a particular subject, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Each sale adds to your passive income. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to earn passive income. By promoting other people's products on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media, you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a win-win situation. You help businesses reach more customers, and you earn money for your efforts. And don't forget about peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses. In return, you earn interest on the amount you lent out, creating a steady income stream. So, why is passive income important? Simply put, it gives you more freedom and flexibility. It can help you achieve financial independence, allowing you to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. Remember, while passive income can be incredibly rewarding, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and sometimes a bit of learning to set up. But once you've got it going, it's like planting a tree. It keeps growing and giving back. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these passive income opportunities and take your first step towards financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on living your best life. If there is a passive income stream you'd like to know more about in an upcoming video, let us know in the comments. Let's make work optional so we can live our best lives in the present moment.